Hey guys, Quinn from Canada. If you ever wanted to mount a camera cold shoe accessory onto an Ikea pegboard, this is the print for you. It consists of 4 parts: the 2 pins that go into the pegboard, the center cold shoe, and a knob for the screw. I printed mine in ABS, but any material will work. The parameters that I used were 4 walls, 5 top and bottom, 25% infill, and a 0.2 layer height. Now, you don't need any overhangs. However, if you want a nice corner there, you might want to put just a little bit there. Just set your Prusa slicer for supports from bed only. There is a flat end at the top of the screw hole, so that will bridge perfectly while it's printing there without needing supports. You will need 2 pieces of hardware to make this work: an M5 nut and an M5x50 bolt with a hex head. To put this together, very simple. Take your nut, push it in here, and make sure you push it all the way down. If it's not all the way down, you might not catch the thread here. Following that, take your bolt, stick it through your knob right here. Put these together like so, and push this through. You can then use the knob to tighten things down. At this point, you can mount this onto your pegboard, and now just mount your accessory right on it. One more thing, if you are left-handed and you would prefer to have the knob on this side rather than this side, simply take the 2 end caps and mirror them in Prusa Slicer. If you want to make any other modifications, I did include the step files as well as the FreeCAD files that I used to design this. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Na zdrowie.